Hello, fellow diamond painting addicts, and welcome back to Diamond Painting Anonymous. I'm Daphne, and I'm here today to unbox another project. We are over halfway through the month, and I am looking ahead to February, and I had gone out and looked at several different events that I might want to participate in, and one of them is coming up in February, and it is called Butterfly Wishes 25. This is hosted by, it says Lynn, Bella Art Diamonds, and Linda. The Facebook group Diamond Grandma Crafts. So I will stick a picture over there of the image that I got from Kay's Facebook group, the Diamond Painting Events group, where I was looking for some of these, and that's where I got the information. So I'm going to be doing this kit for that event. Let me get everything out of the box and we'll look at what I'm going to be doing. So we've got our drills. This is a round kit, as you can see. We've got our stickers. We'll look at those in a minute. And we've got our toolkit. So they include their little essentials tray with every kit, and then a basic toolkit. So our basic toolkit includes wax. We get a red scrunchie. We get some very pokey tweezers. We get a diamond painting pen with a 3-placer attached, and then we also get a 6 and a 9-placer multi-placing tips, and we get some very cute yellow polka dot washi tape. So that is the toolkit. So what kit am I going to be doing? I'm going to be doing a kit called A Sip of Sunshine by Hey Soleil Art. So this one is not very big. It's only 35 by 47, so it's pretty small, and it's round, so it should go really quick. We've only got 26 colors, but we've got 4 ABs. That's one of the things I like about Bella Art. They're really good about including a nice amount of ABs. So 26 colors and 4 ABs. Maybe I'll add some more in, maybe I won't, we'll see. But I just really like this one, and it's got the butterfly in it, so it qualifies for my little butterfly event. I'm hoping it'll be a nice mix of multi-placing and confetti. Obviously the background is going to be quite a bit of multi-placing, but hopefully there will be enough confetti in everything else to keep me occupied and happy. So 26 colors, like I said. Let me grab the canvas and we'll look at it. So it isn't quite laying flat yet because I just opened it, but we can see here we've got a schematic on both sides, and this one is upside down. So again, if you are someone like me who rotates your canvas, then that is nice to have. It has all of the details down at the bottom with all of the licensing and everything, and then at the top they've got all of their websites and social media and all of that stuff. So again, I love Bella Art. They have a nice thick cover sheet. I will still probably replace it with release papers because I just don't like the cover sheet, but there's a lot of, looks like some nice multi-placing in the butterfly, but also some confetti. Same thing here with the little steam cloud, but lots of nice multi-placing in the background. At the bottom here we can see the teacup with the little sunshine and the cloud behind it in the little liquid. So just a cute little teacup diamond painting. There are several in this series. I actually have another one. Wait, I think I have 2 more. One called Yarn Crafter's Delight, which is a teacup with like yarn in it and other various crafting implements sitting around it. And then there's another one that's Aquarius teacup, and I think they're all by the same artist. So this says it is 35 by 47. So let's measure. So it is right at 35 this way. And if I rotate it this way, it's just a skosh under 47. So it might be right at 47 because the canvas is a little wavy here. So 35 by 47, and again we've got 29 colors. So let me grab the drills and we'll look at those. All right, so let's look at our drills here. We've got a very deep dark purple. We've got a purple. We've got black. I'm surprised there's not more black than that for all that would be in the little monarch butterfly. We've got an orange, a yellow, a very pale yellow. We've got kind of a pale mint green. We've got a blue, a little bit lighter blue, a light blue, another light blue. We've got a red. We've got 2 bags of this very dark blue, so I'm going to assume that is the background color. We've got another kind of royal blue. We've got 2 shades of orange. This is more like a pumpkin color, and this is like a lighter orange. We've got another purple, another kind of cornflower blue almost. We've got turquoise color, a butterscotch color, a dark brown, a lighter brown, and then we get into our ABs. So we've got yellow ABs, which I'm assuming are going to go in the sun. We've got this kind of dark blue AB, which kind of outlines the teacup, the liquid in the teacup. We've got a slightly lighter blue AB, which is also in the liquid of the teacup. And then we have a white AB, which is going to get sprinkled here, there, and everywhere for accents and highlights on the butterfly, the cloud, the cup, and everything in the cup. So quite a few of these. Not a ton of ABs, but with only 26 colors, I think that's pretty good. I don't know if I have, what DMC is the background color? 820. I don't know if I have any 820 ABs, but I might add some of those in just to break up the background a little bit. We'll see. So leave me a comment down below and let me know, are you planning on participating in any events for February? If so, what are they? Has anybody ever done this particular Bella kit? I'm kind of excited about this one. It's not very big, so it should go very quickly. My diamond painting time is kind of limited right now while we're house hunting and trying to figure out what we're going to do before our rental runs out. So yeah, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to do all the things. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that bell notification icon so that you can be informed of future uploads. And as always, guys, thanks so much for watching.